Oh my goodness, you guys. So I got this bright idea. I don't know if you would call it a bright idea, but after I bought my Jimny and I converted it to a little bit of a crawler, I had these tires and wheels left over from the Jimny. These are the Jeep. Basically, they usually are found on the Jeeps. And I tell you what, I said, well, you know, I got this little farm truck looking RC car. It's a Gen 8 with a MST FJ45 body on it. So I'm like, well, you know, let me put them on there, see how they look. I love it. I know it looks a little weird, not the traditional crawler tires. I had some nice crawler tires on there, but I kind of wanted more of a farm truck look. So I decided to put these tires on there. And man, am I impressed. I don't know what it is with these Jeep tires. And the 1-1 Jeeps, the real Jeeps, have this tread pattern. But this pattern, I mean, the center line here with the even treads make it nice for the street. Rolls really nice and smooth on the street. But then they're thin. And so this knobby part on the outside and the inside make it grab really nice. And these are nice, grippy, smooth tires. So they're good quality tires. And thought I'd try it out. Things I like about the MST bodies is they tilt back. And this one tilts back all the way. So I got magnets in the front, which is typical. I usually do magnets in the front, or body post, or the tilt bed in the back. So one or the other.